Mistplay uses your phone's system Timezone to validate play sessions, and when that Timezone is wrong, the app can delay or miscalculate reward tracking because game sessions don't match server timestamps. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix Timezone-related reward issues so your units start tracking normally again without losing recent progress. First thing is checking your device Timezone settings. Go to your phone settings, then date and time. Turn on set time automatically, and set time zone automatically. If either of those is off, Mistplay can think you're playing in a different region, which breaks reward validation for certain games. Next step is restarting the sync inside Mistplay. Open the app and force close it completely first. Then reopen it and leave it on the home screen for about a minute without tapping anything. This gives the app time to recheck your session timestamps against the corrected system time. If the issue started after traveling or using a VPN, that matters a lot. Mistplay ties reward timing to both location and time consistency. If your Timezone changed recently, the app may flag older sessions as invalid or delay them until it reconciles your activity logs. Turn off any VPN or location spoofing apps if they are running. Then switch your network once, either from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the opposite. This forces a fresh connection handshake with Mistplay's servers, which often corrects timestamp mismatches. Another important step is clearing the app cache. Go to Settings, open Apps, find Mistplay, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes stored session timing data that might still be using your old Timezone settings. If rewards are still not updating, check your recent game sessions. Some games only send reward data after you fully close them and return to Mistplay. Open the last game you played, exit it completely, then reopen Mistplay to trigger a final sync. If nothing changes, wait a few hours before checking again. Timezone. Errors often resolve once Mistplay's servers fully reprocess your updated session data. To sum it up, wrong Timezone issues in Mistplay usually come from automatic time settings being off, VPN or location conflicts, or cached session timestamps that don't match your current system time. Fix those and your reward tracking usually normalizes without losing progress. If your units start updating again, keep automatic time and Timezone enabled permanently so the app doesn't drift out of sync again. Subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides that fix specific issues without risking your account or rewards.